Hi friends, let me show you this nice Halloween window decorations. Okay, as you can see, we have a small ghost, a Halloween pumpkin, and a Halloween bat. All of them have these battery compartments for 3 AAA batteries that are not included, and you can hang them from these really easy hooks that you put in the window. Okay, so the season is coming and we want to be prepared for Halloween. We're going to test it this night. Thank you. Okay friends, let's try our Halloween decorations. Okay, we are going to put the batteries. Okay, here we are. Okay, as you can see, the bat is already on. Okay. Let's go with the... Okay. Okay, this is the on-off switch. So we have the phantom, the mini ghost ready. Okay, and the pumpkin. I think the pumpkin looks easily looks orange. You can see that. So let me put this here. The ghost is like white or bluish, and this one is like I don't know, like lavender or something like that. But let's try them in the window. Okay, these hooks have self-stick material. I'm going to turn them off so the batteries don't run off. And let's install it and see them. Okay, so you can see they look nice. They will be on for 6 hours. Let's see them from outside. As you can see, they look nice. They are going to be on for 6 hours and 18 hours off. So you can forget about them throughout the season because they will be turning on and off every 24 hours. They're going to turn on every 24 hours from the time you turn them on. So you can just install them and have a nice decoration in your windows. Perfect. Thank you.